Psalm 23 is one of the most comforting passages in the Bible. It reminds us that no matter what we face, God is close, guiding and protecting us. Let's walk through it together. The psalm begins, "The Lord is my shepherd, I shall not want." David starts by calling God his shepherd, the one who provides, protects, and leads. Think about that for a moment. When the creator of the universe is your personal shepherd, what could you possibly lack that is essential for your journey? He knows your needs before you even ask. Next, it says, "He makes me lie down in green pastures. He leads me beside still waters." In a world that constantly rushes and overwhelms, God offers true rest. Green pastures represent abundant provision and a place to be refreshed. Still waters represent deep, unshakable peace. God doesn't just point you toward these places. He actively leads you there. He knows exactly where to take you to find calm for your soul. Then we read, "He restores my soul. He leads me in paths of righteousness for his name's sake." Life can be draining. It can leave you feeling empty and weary, but God promises to restore you, to breathe new life into your spirit. And the paths he guides you on are righteous ones, not because you've earned it or because you're perfect, but for the sake of his own name, because his character is faithful and true. Here is a powerful promise. "Even though I walk through the valley of the shadow of death, I will fear no evil." Notice it says walk through. Valleys are temporary. God never promised a life without dark times, without challenges or fears. But he did promise that you would never, ever walk through them alone. His presence is the light in that valley. And how does he stay with us? "For you are with me, your rod and your staff, they comfort me." A shepherd's rod was a tool for protection, to fight off predators. The staff was for guidance, to gently nudge the sheep back onto the right path. God uses both his strength and his gentle guidance to keep you safe and moving in the right direction. This is a comfort that anchors us. Imagine this. "You prepare a table before me in the presence of my enemies." God doesn't always remove the opposition from your life. Sometimes he chooses to honor and bless you right in front of them. His favor on your life is not limited by your circumstances or the people around you. He can elevate you anywhere. The song continues with an image of abundance. "You anoint my head with oil, my cup overflows." In ancient times, oil represented blessing, a special calling, and divine protection. When God pours out his spirit and his favor into your life, it's not just a few drops. It's an overflowing abundance, more than enough. And the beautiful conclusion, "Surely goodness and mercy shall follow me all the days of my life, and I will dwell in the house of the Lord forever." This isn't a hope or a maybe. It's a certainty. God's goodness and his unfailing love are actively pursuing you every single day. You are never outside of his care, and your ultimate destination is an eternity with him. Thank you for reflecting on this beautiful psalm with me. If this encouraged you, please like and subscribe to Testament Talk for more content that feeds your soul. See you next time.